Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. A day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's security lapse in Punjab, the Congress and BJP on Thursday were engaged in a verbal spat over the issue. Even as the state government constituted a high-level committee to investigate the lapses surrounding the incident. Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi on Thursday said it was wrong to blame his government for the Prime Minister going back without addressing an event, and the actual reason for the decision was the poor response to PM Modi's proposed gathering in Firozpur. At a rally in Machhiwara, he stated, Punjabis have never ever shied away from making sacrifices for the nation, and none can question the nationalistic credentials of Punjab. The fact of the matter surrounding the Prime Minister going back without addressing the gathering was that barely 700 people turned up at the rally site. This forced him to retrace his steps, and later blame was pinned on our government, citing security threat to Mr. Modi. The truth is that 5 days before the scheduled rally of Prime Minister, the Special Protection Group took over the landing spot, rally site and each security detail, but later on the Prime Minister's cavalcade suddenly took land route. The route was cleared by the SPG, he noted. Mr. Channi asked forces inimical to Punjab to stop defaming the state. The anti-Punjab forces should shun vendetta politics and ponder over why the people, especially farmers, don't like them, he stressed. An official statement said, in order to carry out a thorough probe into the lapses that occurred during the Prime Minister's visit in Firozpur yesterday, the Punjab government has constituted a high-level committee. The committee, comprising Justice Mehtab Singh Gill and Principal Secretary Home Affairs and Justice Anurag Verma, would submit its report within 3 days. The Prime Minister's event at Firozpur was cancelled after his convoy was stuck on a flyover for 15 to 20 minutes as the road was blocked by protesters near the National Martyrs Memorial in Hussainiwala. The Ministry of Home Affairs termed it a major lapse in the security of PM. It sought a detailed report from the state government and asked it to fix responsibility for the lapse and take strict actions. Pointing the finger at Mr. Channi for the security lapse, the BJP dismissed the state government's probe committee. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Singh reporting for iScope Media.